Hey yo, what's good guys, your boy Tim back again. So in this video I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually verify any European account, be it UK account, US account, Canadian account, or whichever country account that you're using. I will show you guys how you can actually verify both your ID verification and your address verification right from Nigeria or right from Africa, anywhere you are in Africa, be it Ghana, Togo, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, or any country at all in Africa. So stick with me, let me walk you guys through how you can actually do that. Let me show you guys that this account is actually a UK account and is fully verified. Okay, it's fully verified and it has received payment before. Okay, so this is one of my accounts. Okay, I have another one. Okay, this one I just got it. All right, and I just worked on it like 3 days. I pushed traffic to the site and I was able to generate about £400. Okay, so in case you want to learn how I'm actually doing this, okay, hit me up on WhatsApp. My number is going to be down there in the description. Okay, I have a course, a very in-depth course that shows how you can actually use Facebook to generate these revenues even for a new account. Okay, so that is it, and I will soon verify this account. So as you can see here, your payments are currently on hold. Action is required to release payment. Okay, that's because I'm supposed to verify this account. So I'll do that, and I'm back to the first account, so you guys can see that everything here is fully verified. Okay, so with that being said, let me refresh. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so everything is completed. So with that being said, stick with me, let's do this video. All right, so all of us knows that the first requirement after you've completed £8 for a pounds account is to provide your ID, and then after that your PIN verification. All right, so in case you're using a pounds account, the minimum amount that you need to generate before you start verifying your account is £8. Then if you're using a dollar account, okay, the minimum is $10, and other currencies has their own minimum, right? But these two major accounts is £8 and $10. So after that, once you complete those threshold, okay, a pop-up or a warning is going to show up on your screen just like this. Okay, for you to provide your ID, okay, your ID documents, and then also provide your address for verification. So if you click on this action here, okay, if you click on it, all right, you'll be required to provide ID like I said, and that is actually a difficult one because you need a very verifiable ID card to provide. All right, that's actually the most difficult part of it. Okay, getting a verifiable ID card to use for your Adsense. So if you need any ID card, any European ID card at all, I have a source that provides that for me. You can just hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, I can provide it for you at a very cheaper rate. And once you upload that, it takes like 1 hour or 2 for them to verify that. Okay, after that, then the second one is the PIN. Okay, the PIN is actually it's actually the most difficult one to verify, because if you don't have anybody in the country account that you're using, be it UK or USA or any country that you're using, okay, if you don't have anybody there, then it will be very difficult for you to verify it, because you need a postal PIN, a postal address that Google will forward the PIN to, right? So it's a physical transaction, it's a physical thing. So if you don't have anybody there, physical is going to be a huge problem for you. Okay, so I actually render that service, but I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it by yourself. So there is this site called Post Scan Mail. All right, Post Scan Mail is a site that when you log into, all right, so just browse any location you're looking for. Okay, let's say UK. Okay, so if you type in UK, or let me just type it in full, United Kingdom. Okay, England, United Kingdom. So just type it in and browse the location. So if you browse it, okay, you see all of their locations, majorly in United States of America, and then they have the ones in other states, in other countries. They have the one in Australia, Hong Kong, Switzerland, Belgium, Netherlands, Thailand, Canada, all of them UK. All right, so any country that you're using their Adsense account, you can just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, they're going to provide you with their address they're going to use to apply. All right, so this is it. All right, you can just view more and then see their pin and all. After the registration and everything, they'll provide you with this. Then for the starter is $15 per month and the premium is $30 per month. Now you're probably going to be going for the $15 per month. So they have 30 items, okay, for incoming mail. Open and scan 5 items. Okay, the open and scan method is that what happens is that when they send the pin to the address that they will provide you with, okay, they will scan it. All right, after scanning it, they will upload it, or they will send it to your Gmail or any other mail that's electronic mail that you provide them. So you're going to receive your pin as an email from this company called Post Scan Mail. All right, so let me go over it again. So once you register on this platform, they'll provide you with the postal address and details that you're going to use to register. All right, so $15 per month is that you're going to receive 30 items, and then they can open and scan 5 items and post it to your email. Okay, now you don't need all this standard and premium, because that's for people that are running large scale business. All right, or two people can actually combine and then make use of the standard and premium and all that. But if you're just the only one, $15 can get you your pin delivered to your address, and this thing takes actually like 3 days or 4 or 5, not even up to 5. From my experience, it's just 3 days. Your pin is going to be delivered to them, and then they're going to scan it and send it to your mail, and you're going to receive it as an email. Okay, so that's basically how to verify your pin, and it's very, very safe. Okay, so another company I'm going to recommend is this company called Anytime Mailbox. Okay, Anytime Mailbox. So just go ahead and type in the city that you want them, or the city that you're using the Adsense. All right, so any country you're using the Adsense, just go ahead and search it here, and they'll provide you with the postal address they're going to use to verify your pin. And this is very, very simple. All right, it's very, very simple. So go ahead and explore. All right, go ahead and explore, and this is very, very safe, like I said. Okay, with that you can verify your Adsense account, and once you're able to verify that, just like this one, once you're able to do that, you'll be able to withdraw your money directly into your Payoneer, and from Payoneer to Grey.co. Okay, I'm actually going to do a video on how you can actually receive money from your foreign account. Okay, so please, if you want me to do that video, please make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you need any foreign account, be it UK account, USA account, Canadian account, or any other foreign account that you want, okay, you can actually hit me up on WhatsApp. I provide that at a very, very, very cheaper rate. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay safe and peace out.